we've seen you in Kisi Ka Bhai Kisi Ki Jaan. It was a big launch for you, but it was Salman Khan's film. So how
Right.
much it has changed you things after that?
You know, I think people always sort of have this preconceived notion that I am not fond of my time with Kisi Ka Bhai Kisi Jaan. I am obsessed with my time in Kisi Ka Bhai Kisi Jaan. It was like prep school for me. I was surrounded by such revered people in the industry, people that are literally at the top of the industry, at the top of their games, and it was my first film ever. And I got to work with such established people. I was just lucky to be there. I was just so grateful every single day to even be in the presence of such stars. I got to have lunch with Salman sir, have dinner with Salman sir, you know, and my entire cast, we had so much fun. Vinali, Siddharth, Shehnaz, Raghav, like these are Jassi, these are people that like I'm still so fond of. Like the memories that we built together on that set, I swear it felt like I went to school again. Because I relearned so much about the industry, about the, you know, who I am as an actor is largely built, who I am as an actor on set, my presence on set is largely built by my experience on that set. Because I learned so much from Salman sir, as somebody who was leading that film, as somebody who had so much heart in that film. Salman sir used to sleep in his vanity. Literally 12, 8 hours, whatever hours he used to get, just so he wouldn't be late on set the next day. Like he'd sleep in his vanity, get up and shoot, and then sleep there and then get up and shoot. And I've seen a mega star do that. And I think that's the best experience you can ask for in your first film. I got to learn from him, I got to be on the same set as Ram Charan sir. I was just really happy to be there. So honestly, my time with Kisi Ka Bhai Kisi Ki Jaan is one of my favorite times of my life.
After that, things changed for you, like the kind of opportunities you're getting.
You know, I would say with Kisi Ka Bhai Kisi Ki Jaan, there wasn't, I don't think my opportunities increased, but I would say my visibility increased. More people knew about me. I think there was a whole mass that knew about me because of Salman sir's following, obviously. So I think that definitely my visibility increased around that time for sure. But I don't know if that added to my opportunities. But also I feel like opportunities is something that you get for yourself, and I am more than happy doing that.
I would like to know, Sanjay Dutt is there in the film. Would like to know what was your preconceived notion, everybody on the dais. What is your preconceived notion of Sanjay Dutt and how it changed post working with him?
I think I was sort of mentally prepared because I think being with Salman sir, and I think their auras are very similar. It sort of mentally prepared me, so I wasn't as phased as I would have been. But he is just the sweetest person ever. He has the kindest smile that he wears on the broadest shoulders, and I think that's the best juxtaposition about him. And he is truly just somebody that you need to experience as a person to really know, you know.
Lastly, I want to ask, the industry is going through a pretty challenging time. The box office numbers are pretty dry over there. So as an artist, all of you, how much it is affecting you?
I feel like the audiences are sort of hopeless. They feel like there's this drought because we've spoken about previously, our country really loves its cinema. It's very passionate about it and it is very possessive of it. So I feel like right now they're going through a phase where they're not sure if us as artists, despite of the subfield within our industry, are giving it our all. But I think this is also the time that we reassure the audiences, and I'm speaking for all of us here, that we want the same thing that you want. You want old Bollywood back. You want it to work. We want it to work as well. We love Bollywood as much as you love Bollywood, and we want to bring that magic back ourselves. And we are trying our hardest. Be it us here, be it our director. You know, he is a huge Bollywood fan. So he really wanted to do this film justice. All of us want to do this film justice. Not just this film, all the work that we do in general, our intention is to give you what you expect. Sometimes that might go amiss. Sometimes we might miss a beat or two. But I just want the audiences to know that please trust that you are in safe hands and we do want to deliver what you expect.